This is Captain Phillip with Airworthy Tours. Today we have a special tour of Cape Canaveral, also known as the Space Coast. So let's get started. We begin our tour at the Kennedy Space Center. It was originally known as the NASA Launch Operations Center. Starting in 1968, it was NASA's primary launch center for human space flight. Launch operations for the Apollo, Skylab, and Space Shuttle programs and missions were carried out from the Kennedy Space Center Launch Complex 39. The next rocket launch is scheduled for June 28, 2022. And the spacecraft will be the SpaceX Falcon 9 CRS-25. With an estimated 60 launches to occur this year. Today, the Kennedy Space Center comprises of over 700 buildings, spread out over 144,000 acres. To learn more about this area, make sure to check out the visitor complex. Our next stop is Port Canaveral. Port Canaveral is one of the busiest cruise ports in the world. In 2019, there were 689 cruise ships with 4.7 million passengers that sailed out of Port Canaveral. While most of the major cruise lines sail out of the port, including Canaveral, Norwegian, and Royal Caribbean, the flagship cruise company is, of course, Disney Cruise Line. With the Disney Fantasy and Disney Wish sailing out of Port Canaveral, in total there are 13 cruise ships that call Port Canaveral home. And to further tie in with the nearby space complexes, Port Canaveral is usually the port where recovery ships are launched to retrieve the rocket boosters post-launch. And ahead is the Exploration Tower, which also looks like a spaceship. Exploration Tower offers 7 floors of exhibits and interactive activities. It also offers a panoramic view of Port Canaveral and is a great spot to watch a rocket launch. And our last stop is Cocoa Beach. Now there isn't much to talk about here, so enjoy the sunshine and beach. If you enjoyed today's tour, make sure to hit the like button, and you can tip your tour guide with the special thanks button. We also have other videos of Florida which you can check out as well. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.